To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Polaris INDY VR1 with the 650 engine, follow these steps. Park the sled on a flat, level surface. Remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panels away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Lift the hood up slightly to gain access to the connector underneath. Disconnect the connector and remove the hood from the sled. Next, carefully remove both spark plug leads. Then, clean the area around the spark plug to prevent debris from falling into the engine. Next, remove the spark plug wrench from the spark plug holder. Then loosen the 2 spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. Also inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended spark plugs. Install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Next, reinstall the spark plug leads and ensure they are secure. Also reinstall the spark plug wrench in its holder. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the tabs in front are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.